Hey everyone, it's Jamie. Welcome back. So I know it's been a little bit since I've posted a video. It's been about a week, but that is because I have a medical issue going on with my eyes. If you guys have ever heard of ocular rosacea, that is what I have. And let me just say, it is very uncomfortable. If you don't know what it is, you can Google it. And if you do an image search, then you'll see I'm in misery right now. My eyes hurt so bad. So I didn't want to get on camera so that you guys have to, look at that. So I thought I'd go ahead and do a Dollar Tree haul, just showing you the items that I found. So you won't be seeing my face on here, but so anyway, I'm going to go ahead and get started and show you some of the things that I found. I didn't find a whole lot, but the things that I found are new. So the first things that I picked up are these egg wreath forms. I thought this was so cool. I have never seen this at the Dollar Tree before. So I did grab 2 of these. Now these, they are calling them an egg wreath form, and this was in the floral garden section. So, I don't know if it's for the Easter time or if this is just something that they're, randomly put out in their floral section. But anyway, I did grab 2 of those just to see if, I don't know, if I can come up with some sort of wreath idea or something using those. So I grabbed 2 of those. The next 2 things that I picked up are these really pretty vases. And I don't remember seeing these at Dollar Tree before. I don't know. They may have had them before, but anyway, they had them in different colors. I just wanted some clear ones, and I was looking for some vases that were tall and skinny. So this is the closest I could find. So I did go ahead and grab 2 of these. Okay, so the next things that I found, I have been wanting some of these, and I've seen some Dollar Tree haulers haul these, and I was hoping that my stores would get some in, and they did. I was really wanting some clear ones. I don't know if they have clear ones, but at my Dollar Tree, all they carried was green, blue, and I believe it was like a pink color or something. But so anyway, I just grabbed the blue ones, and I did grab 3 of these. So these are the plastic watering stakes, and these are in the garden collection. So I did grab 3 of these just to see how they are going to work. Okay, the next things that I picked up are these flower pots. Now they had several different colors to choose from. I just wanted some black and white. So I did grab 2 of the black ones and then 2 of these white ones. And these are, I'm not sure if it says how big they are. They're not, real huge or anything like that. But so anyway, I just grabbed 2 of each of these colors. And like I said, they did have other colors to choose from, which I thought these were really nice. They're going to go with my decor pretty well in my house. So I did pick those up. They did have several different kinds of flower pots to choose from, but I just went ahead and picked these 2. Okay, so the next things that I grabbed are these paintbrushes. I thought this was a really good deal. You get 7 paintbrushes in here. This is by, I don't know, they're calling it Simply Art Creativity Made Easy. And I guess this is the brand Low Cornell. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right or not. But anyway, I thought this was a really good deal. You get 7 in here. And on the back, it tells you all the ones that you do get. So there's, all kinds of different ones, different shapes and sizes. So anyway, I thought that was really cool. So I did go ahead and just grab 1 package of those. The next 2 things that I found are these Pom Poms. And this was in the Easter section. So I picked up these. There are 24 in here. And they're just, sort of a medium-sized pom-pom, which I thought was really cute. Now, these can come in handy for all kinds of different DIYs. So if you're doing something for Easter, maybe doing some sort of a rabbit or something like that, or a bunny, you could use these pom-poms for that, for like his little tail, or maybe even making a small one using the pom-poms as maybe his body. Whatever you wanted to do with these. But I did go ahead and grab the medium-sized ones. And then they have these larger ones. You get 18 in here. And so these are sort of a larger size. So these would also make great little bunny tails if you wanted to use them for that. Or you can save them back for Christmas time and maybe make a snowman out of them, or I don't know, use them as snowball decor, whatever you wanted to do. But anyway, I thought those were really cute, so I did go ahead and grab one of each of those. Okay, the next thing that I found is this little bunny. I think this is so cute. So this is the Crafter Square, and this is for the Easter time. This is just a little bunny, and you get these 3 different colors of paint and a paintbrush in here. And I just thought this was so cute. I don't plan on painting the bunny. I think I'm just going to leave him white. So anyway, I did get this, and like I said, they did have several different figurines that you could get and paint, but I really liked this little bunny, so I went ahead and just grabbed him. Okay, so I thought these were so stinking cute. I went ahead and grabbed one package of these. Now, these are the printed felt bunny paws, and sorry about the glare. And you get 10 in here, which I think these are so cute. So there's all kinds of things you can do with this. If you have little kids, you can maybe attach these to the floor somehow and, you know, say that the Easter bunny came to visit and left his footprints or whatever. But I think these are really cute. I also thought about using these in a wreath, making a bunny wreath or something like that. But anyway, there's several different things that you can do with these. I just thought they were so cute, so I did go ahead and pick up one package of those. Okay, so as I was telling you guys at the beginning of the video that I do have this ocular rosacea, and the doctor did tell me that I needed to add like a hot compress on my eyes every so often. So I did go ahead and grab some of these. These are the hot and cold eye pads. You do get 2 in here. They have these in different kinds of, I don't know, fruits, I guess. But I just went ahead and grabbed the avocado ones. And I'm hoping that this is going to work, but I don't know. We'll have to see. So anyway, I did go ahead and just grab one package of those. Okay, and the last 2 things that I grabbed are these nail wraps. These are by B Color. You get 12 in here. And the ones that I have on my hands are also from the Dollar Tree that I picked up here a while back ago and decided to go ahead and try them. And they're okay. I have to say that the sizes that they have in the package are not exactly the sizes of my nails, but they're close. So I did go ahead and put those on, and I've gotten several compliments on my nails. So anyway, I thought I'd go ahead and grab these, and I thought these were really nice. I love the black nail here with the zebra accent nail. I think that's so cute. So I did go ahead and just grab 2 of each of these. Hopefully they will cover a little better than the ones that I have on my nails, because the ones that are on my nails now are a different brand. But I did get them from the Dollar Tree. So anyway, that is the end of my haul, guys. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I hope you all are having a wonderful day. I wanted to thank you all for watching, and I'll talk to you all later. Bye!